In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure or lock your Google form to protect it from unauthorized access. Now, securing your Google form is essential, especially if you're collecting sensitive information or if you simply want to ensure that only certain people can fill it out. It's really important to maintain the integrity of your data and prevent unwanted edits or entries. First, we need to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google Search. Once there, type in how to secure, lock, Google form. Hitting search will load various resources related to securing your Google Forms. While there are plenty of searches available, we want to focus on methods using Google's native options and commonly recommended solutions from reliable sources. This way, we can ensure our approach is both safe and effective. After gathering relevant information, open your Google form by navigating to Google Forms via Google Drive or directly through its site. Once your form is loaded, you'll find yourself on the editing page where you have all your form elements laid out. It's here that you'll ensure your form's security. One popular and simple way to restrict access is by using Google's built-in settings. Look towards the top right corner for the gear icon, which opens the settings window. Here, you'll find different options to tailor how your form functions. Now, one way to secure your form is to limit responses to users within your organization, if applicable. You can check the box for restricting it to your domain. This is handy if you're working within a professional or educational institution and want to restrict access to just those members. Next, you may want to ensure that each user can only submit the form once. To do this, stay in the same settings window and navigate to the General tab. There, you'll find the option that says Limit to one response. Checking this box will prevent participants from submitting multiple entries, helping maintain the integrity of your collected data. While you're in the settings, take a moment to save your settings. A quick click on Save at the bottom of the settings window ensures everything is ready to go. Finally, for additional security measures, you might consider enabling email collection for added verification. This doesn't stop submissions, but encourages accountability, as participants are more likely to use legitimate information when their email is required to submit. Implementing these security measures will help protect your Google form from unauthorized access and ensure the data you collect remains accurate and reliable. Thank you for watching. And be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on getting the most out of Google's tools.